I started my work journey somewhere from 1976. So I joined Indian Army in 1976, being one of the first lady army officers from Himachal Pradesh
Wow.
in my own corps. Went through a very, very tough curriculum because I'm very short at height. And I had so many challenges. I was scared of water, I was scared of height, but I had to be strong enough, overcoming all that. Then served the army for a long time. And once we are in the army, we, along with all the other things, we are taught a specific module. It is called OLQ,
Okay.
Officers Like Qualities.
Officers like qualities.
Where,
Wow.
where we are taught, how to be resilient, critical thinking, positive thinking,
Yeah.
etiquette. So I loved etiquette.
है ना?
I
Yeah,
agree.
yeah. Amazing. So lovely to speak to you on all these fronts that we've spoken about. Thank you so much.
Before you say thank you to me, I would like to add something
Yeah.
to anybody who's listening to me and who's wanting to get into pageantry or personality development.
Yeah.
Just remember.
Well, these are one of those chosen few moments that people like, especially anchors and hosts like me and who are wanting to build up something, do something good, come across certain personalities who actually are the definition of what a trend is, why the world is in the way it is, who set off things in a certain direction, who inspire so many people. And I am so humbled today because I am sitting in front of a very, 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 very huge name, a very small man in front of a very, very huge name. I'm sitting with Rita Gangwani. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being over here. It's a
you.
privilege. I never imagined that we would be meeting this way. But thank you, Mrs. India, Queen of Substance, because this is one of those chosen few moments, and I'm going to savor every second of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
No, I think all this that is happening is because of people like you who have actually, I would put it, your trends, I won't even call trendsetters. It is like revolutionize the industry with a fresh set of ideas that people had unheard of or even experienced, because the way you have earned that position in the fashion world is something that is for every person to look for. Irrespective of man, woman, child, girl, whoever, they should look at you and try to emulate, because the way you have been able to do it for yourself with such an open heart, with such humility, I would put it, because I follow you on Facebook and I see those posts. How did you do all that?
I'm humbled. How did I do all that? I think life gives us a lot of experiences as we move ahead. And since I got into this industry after I hung my uniform, I've been meeting a lot of youngsters, and every youngster has a story. People are smiling, but everybody has something going on behind the scenes.
Yeah, absolutely.
So many a times, just to boost them up, I used to come up with stuff, read, talk, learnt. And this is how I think it's now become very easy for me to give advice. But not to say that I don't face these moments myself. I do face them, but I go and check my own stuff and I get motivated. So I tell everybody, take a capsule of Be Positive every morning.
Every morning. Wow, that is a learning. A capsule of Be Positive every morning.
So like everybody else, even I face the challenges. After all, I'm human too. And many a times when I speak to children, when I speak to people I'm advising, the same advice, reflects back on me, and I take charge of myself. And over the years, I've learned that every day you must take one capsule of Be Positive, in morning itself, so that your day goes well ahead.
Wow, that is such an amazing learning, a capsule of Be Positive every day. But then I would say, it is easier said than done, saying Be Positive. How does one become positive?
It is very difficult to become positive, very frankly speaking, because it's not just one thought you have to change.
Yeah.
Every minute, millions of thoughts are coming in your mind. And you can't be conscious enough कि नहीं positive सोचना है, positive
नहीं, बिल्कुल, because it keeps shattering you every moment. Because I go through that myself every day sometimes, because I'm working hard at something and then saying, why isn't this happening? यार कब तक होगा ऐसा? एक small ray of hope आती है बीच में बस, that's it.
That's it. And forbidden, जिस चीज के लिए आप forbid करोगे ना वो और होगा. So you'll tell your thoughts, नहीं आओ, नहीं आओ, नहीं
नहीं
आओ.
आओ.
वो triples उसमें आएंगे.
Yeah.
So I have learnt one trick and I teach that to everyone, that you cannot do it unless you sow the seed in your subconscious, and that the only way you can do is wear a rubber band. इतना tight नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपका खून रुक जाए. थोड़ा सा ढीला सा rubber band. And every time a negative thought comes to you, you be honest to yourself. I'm going to punish myself. मैंने नहीं सोचना. Pull it.
Remind yourself.
दर्द होएगा. Now, as soon as you hit it, think opposite. So आप 7-8 बार खींच लेंगे ना, 8th टाइम आपके guts नहीं होंगे उसको खींचने के. You automatically started thinking opposite.
क्या बात है, wonderful, what a wonderful thing, a small way of punishing yourself. I wouldn't say punishing, but making yourself realize,
Yes.
so I would call it, just like, when, the master, अगर आप master को बोलेंगे ना, I'm feeling so hot in the pan, take me out of there, he'll take that out and he'll put you straight into the fire. That's what masters do.
Yes.
If they have to hone you and carve you out, because that is what the rarest of the rarest masters would do to the one who has the capacity to become the rarest of the rarest diamond that you can dig to seek from the earth, right?
Absolutely. I agree.
Brilliant. So amazing. That rubber band, I'll definitely do that. Definitely. I'm definitely going to tie that on my wrist from now on.
Yes.
How did the fashion world happen to you? And when you say you hung your uniform, what was that all about? Because there's so many people who might want to know still further about you, though they have an idea of who Rita Gangwani is. So a little peep into your life.
Okay. I started my work journey somewhere from 1976. So I joined Indian Army in 1976, being one of the first lady army officers from Himachal Pradesh.
Wow.
In my own corps. Went through a very, very tough curriculum because I'm very short at height. And I had so many challenges. I was scared of water, I was scared of height, but I had to be strong enough, overcoming all that. Then served the army for a long time. And once we are in the army, we, along with all the other things, we are taught a specific module. It is called OLQ.
Okay.
Officers Like Qualities.
Officers like qualities.
Where we are taught, how to be resilient, critical thinking, positive thinking,
Yeah.
etiquette. So I loved etiquette, especially the dining etiquette and how to dress, how to walk, how to talk, how to shake hands.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I come from the small town Shimla. So I used to go back home on my annual vacation and just teach my friends, aise khate, aise khate. And they only told me, she says, yeah, you have this knack of teaching people. Why don't you start doing it? So the blueprint started from there.
Okay.
So once I hung my uniform, that is when I took voluntary retirement. So because my husband is a civilian, so it was difficult for every 2 years to shift base.
Keep shifting. Yeah.
So the base was there that I have to do it. But what I had learned in the army was very hardcore. I couldn't have taught that to a common man because it would have been too tough for them to absorb.
Absolutely.
So
yeah.
I went to a finishing school myself, polished myself, and then came back and opened my own consultancy by the name of Riga House, Rita Gangwani's House of Personality Transformation. And that's where the journey began.
Wow.
And now it's been 43 years in the industry. And yes, God is kind. I see a lot of transformation, a lot of students who've done me proud. And
you're a
the
name to
journey
reckon with
continues.
us. So I haven't come across one fashionista or people who are into personality building and personality branding who hasn't, recited your name or who doesn't know you in that proportion. So it's definitely a humongous and definitely a stupendous achievement. And how I'm no one to qualify in that way, but I feel so overwhelmed because as you speak, I'm able to figure out how much passion you have. And
Yes.
I think, like what you said, I have always believed one thing, इसमें जो आपने बताया, like even as civilians, मेरे को लगता है these three things are very important for every civilian. And I wish that happens in our country one day, that everybody is to serve the nation by joining the defenses for at
Absolutely.
least 2 years. The moment you leave class 12, not even after graduation, then you enter and figure out what graduate you want to become to be able to serve the country in whatever way you want.
True.
You should be taught a martial art and you should be taught a fine art and you should be a part of a sport. That's it.
I would add one.
Yeah.
One thing which is very much lacking in India, tehzeeb.
Tehzeeb, etiquette.
Etiquette.
Absolutely.
We have the best of brains, the best of things. But when it comes to putting your best foot forward,
Yeah.
that's where we are lacking. I think
Etiquette.
it should be a mandatory subject in school.
Absolutely. Etiquette. Definitely. I think ये सारी चीजें अगर आ जाएंगी, I think we'll be a 10 years. It won't take much. 10 साल के अंदर पूरी कंट्री बदल जाएगी because you'll have those set of people graduating from schools and colleges, and when they take on those head positions, imagine the culture that would spread even in the corporates or even in every nook and corner of the society. I always say an entrepreneur is the most courageous soul on civil soil because it's very very difficult being an entrepreneur in India.
Yes.
And you fighting amidst everything. आप दिवाली नहीं मना रहे, लेकिन आप देख रहे हैं कि आपका ड्राइवर बना सके एंड आपके ऑफिस का जनरल मैनेजर या प्रेसिडेंट या क्रिएटिव हेड भी बना सके. आप नहीं बना पा रहे, आप फिर भी लगे हुए हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So I think आप जो कह रहे हैं ना, looking at you, it feels that kind of a passion you carry, and you're actually making so many dreams come true.
Thank you.
So how does it feel being attached to so many different pageants and personality grooming communities and all that? And how is your lifestyle like? Must be very busy all through.
It certainly is quite busy because not only do I train people from A to Z, but I also take or train girls or boys who go international. So over the years, even pageants have become inclusive.
Yeah.
So I don't know whether you're aware, I have been given World Book of Record for picking up the most challenging profiles like Miss and Mr. Deaf, Mr. and Miss Dumb, Mr. and Miss Blind,
Wow.
Mr. and Miss Wheelchair, plus size, transgender, petite. So no trainer was ready to actually train them because it's very challenging to train these profiles. But I took the challenge, trained them, and I'm very proud that they have done wonders for the country. They have been on the world platform, international platforms. My youngest
Absolutely.
being a junior Miss India, who's just 7 years old. And the senior most being about almost now touching 73.
Wow.
So I learn a lot from them. And as the pageantry is evolving, I'm evolving too, because every day something new is coming into the market, and I need to what they say,
unlearn and relearn. Yeah, that keeps happening.
and then teach them
Yeah.
what is in trend. So yes, I enjoy my journey. It keeps me young, it keeps me happy, and it keeps me trendy. I know what's happening in the market.
Absolutely. No, it's so inspiring to learn from you that you being at the position where you are, even at that position, and after having known so much and being an encyclopedia yourself, you're still, there are many empty pages that you've kept where more information and knowledge is being fed every day.
Yes.
So amazing to know that. Thank you so much for that
Right.
one. That's a learning for each one of us, that we should know that learning never stops. If we are open to learn, we will definitely be open to give it out as
Absolutely.
well. That's what it is all
Yeah,
about.
because a lot of people say, ma'am, you're too old. Why are you starting this new thing? Why? So I always say, जब आप पानी से मछली को निकालते हैं ना, तो हमेशा फ्रेश ही होती है.
हाँ.
Nobody says कि fresh कि मछली कितनी पुरानी. It's always fresh.
It's always fresh.
So life is like that.
Life is like that. Brilliant, brilliant. Wow. Another learning. Yeah, definitely. I'm going to steal all those phrases and use them all through my life, wherever I can. That's my takeaway after having met you, apart from many other things. So, anything, a few words about Mrs. India, Queen of Substance, the way they've been going on for the past 14 years. I'm sure you must have known them for
Yes,
quite some
yes.
time, and Ritika Vinay as well.
Yes, I have been with them right from day one. And it's been almost 14 years of journey, and I have seen them evolve every time. Initially, as they were learning and, pageantry, and they were new in the market, it was a challenge, but over the years, even they have picked up a lot. And I think it's one of the oldest and one of the most authenticated pageants happening in Mrs. category. I'm sure Ritika must have told you. And another reason why I joined hands with them is Vinay, who's also an army officer who served the nation.
Yeah.
So yes, so I thought Fauji's together would be
yeah.
able to really serve the
I
country.
have come across a lot of Fauji families in this one, and I love meeting them. बहुत मजा आया उनसे मिलके. I'll definitely tell you about that sometime else. कभी बैठेंगे तो बताऊंगा मैं किन किन फौजियों से मिला in the pageant industry.
Okay.
And it inspired me so much, having spoken to all of them.
Yeah, and so many contestants nowadays.
Yeah. I've seen in the Mrs. category,
Yes.
there are many contestants who have been who are from the defense background.
Yes. Some have actually won at pageantry and gone into defense. Some have left the defense and got into pageantry. But there are many officers around. And I'm so very proud that I can actually help them, train them, and still serve the country in my own way to as I go
Absolutely.
internationally, because the biggest challenge is to represent India in the best possible way when you go
Absolutely,
international.
yeah.
So a simple question like what is namaste? You know, if you ask any general public what is namaste, they will say respect देते हैं, कैसे देते हैं, झुक के
What does
देते
it mean?
हैं.
नहीं
But what
मालूम.
is the reason?
हाँ.
Where did it come from? Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
So these little things, when you go international, why do you wear a bindi?
Yeah.
What is a Mangal Sutra? You know, all these little sanskars.
They're very, very
just
important.
drill them into our
Yeah,
kids.
they are the ethos. ना मतलब वो बहुत जरूरी है इस चीज के
Yes,
लिए. You
and
know,
that's how they represent India to the best. when they go
absolutely.
international.
That is what India is all about. You know, for centuries, you know, for the life edge of the earth, it has been known in that proportion.
Yeah.
वैसा माना गया है, you know, the place where everything is so sacred, knowledge, wisdom, the land of teachers, the land of saints, the land of gurus. Yeah, the land of spirituality, you can put it that way. So we can never ever, you know, sever ties with that, no matter what. You know, we can avoid neglect, but it will come back to us and we'll definitely go with the flow.
True.
वो तो होगा ही होगा.
I agree.
है ना?
I
Yeah,
agree.
yeah. Amazing. So lovely to speak to you on all these fronts that we've spoken about. Thank you so much.
You know, before you say thank you to me, I would like to add something
Yeah.
to anybody who's listening to me and who's wanting to get into pageantry or personality development.
Yeah.
Just remember one thing in life. Success will never come to you instantly. A
Yeah.
lot of kids come into pageantry thinking rato raat they will become big. गिरोगे उठोगे, nothing happens instantly, and अगर हो भी जाएगा, you will not be able to maintain it because you require experience to maintain success. Success मिलना आसान है, उसको maintain करना बहुत मुश्किल.
बहुत मुश्किल है.
So have patience in life. Go baby step, one step at a
One
time.
step at a time.
Stop comparing your journey to anyone
Anybody
else
else's.
because you are different, the other person is different, and just be original wherever you go.
Wherever
And
you go.
that's the only crux I will say would actually take you ahead in pageantry and certainly would develop your
Couldn't have been
personality.
put in any more simpler words than you have done because आपने पूरी तरीके से स्पष्ट कर दिया एकदम मतलब संक्षिप्त और विस्तार दोनों बराबर कर दिया आपने ये बोल के क्योंकि everybody is definitely unique. You are the only limited edition in this world brought on by the Almighty. So your part is very different from the others.
Absolutely.
Each person is to his or her own. And everybody who is born in this country is a flag bearer. You need not hold a position in the government or in the army for that. You yourself are a flag bearer because the moment you step out of the house or meet somebody from elsewhere, you're representing India in
Absolutely.
every way possible. चाहे आप business कर रहे हो, चाहे आप एक holiday मनाने गए हो, you all are that. That is what she's trying to say. Serving the country in every way, it doesn't mean that there are actually, you know, those mediums that we know of, our own character, our etiquette, the way she has said, हम व्यवहार ही सबसे बड़ा आचार है और उसी का प्रचार होता है हर जगह.
बिल्कुल.
Because that is what reaches people before even you would reach
Yeah.
it.
Before you speak, your image
Yeah,
speaks.
yeah. Your image
Absolutely.
speaks, absolutely. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank
you
you.
so much, Rita ma'am, for this one. And I am feeling so fortunate and I'm going to have sleepless nights because I have spoken to you finally. I've
Thank you.
been friends on Facebook and thank you for being a friend on Facebook as well.
Thank
I do hope that we stay in touch and I keep learning from you through the years and I'm able to extract as much knowledge as possible.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here. And you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lovely.
Thank you.